topic factors influencing diffusion of mobile payments with reference to Delhi NCR. Mr. Joydeep Mukherjee is the next candidate. Ms. Suchitra Maurya. On the stage, we have Ms. Suchitra Maurya, under the guidance of Dr. Midans Jha, awarded PhD degree on the topic Factors Influencing Diffusion of Mobile Payments with reference to Delhi NCR. Thank you so much, sir. Next candidate, Mr. Joydeep Mukherjee, under the guidance of Dr. M. Rajkumar, awarded PhD degree on the topic Analysis of Factors Affecting Adoption of Technology in Unorganized Retail Sector. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Bhattacharya, under the guidance of Dr. M. Rajkumar, awarded PhD degree on the topic Impact of Long Pending Cases on Socio-Economic Aspects of Parties Involved, a study of cases in civil courts. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Bhattacharya. The next candidate is Mr. Koti Vinod Babu, under the guidance of Professor Dr. J.B. Patnaik, awarded PhD degree on topic Impact of Influencer Marketing on the Purchasing Behavior of Indian Millennials. Thank you so much to the Honorable Governor for presenting the PhD degrees. Thank you so much, sir. Now, may I request the Chancellor to please come forward and present the PhD degrees. Ms. Pooja Garodia Somani, under the guidance of Professor Dr. J.B. Patnaik, awarded PhD degree on the topic A Comparative Efficiency Assessment of Short-Term Skill Training Providing Using Data in Development Analysis. The next candidate we have is Mr. Raja Ghosh, under the guidance of Dr. Midans Jha, awarded PhD degree on the topic Factors Determining CSR Matrix and its Impact on Key Stakeholders in Indian Power Sector. Thank you so much to the guests, to the dignitaries, Honorable Governor and the Chancellor for presenting the PhD degree. Now, I humbly request His Excellency the Governor of Jharkhand and visitors of the ICFI University Jharkhand, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangavaji, to please give away silver medals to the second rank holders. We have Mr. Satyam Kumar for MBA. Please give a big round of applause to these students. Mr. Satyam Kumar for MBA. Mr. Satyam Kumar for MBA. Silver medalist. The next is Mr. Prakhar Maheshwari for MBA Working Professionals. Mr. Prakhar Maheshwari. The next candidate we have is for BBA, and that is Ms. Sugandha Kumari. For BBA, we have Ms. Sugandha Kumari. Wait. On the stage, we have Ms. Sugandha Kumari, and these are the silver medalists, and the award is being conferred to them. After that, we have for BCom Honors, Mr. Rajan Kumar Thakur. We have on the stage for BCom Honors, these are the silver medalists. After that, for BTech, we have Mr. Satyam Kumar Dubey. Now, I humbly request Dr. T.R.K. Rao, Honorable Chancellor, to please give away the silver medals to the second rank holders. Now, the degrees will be conferred by the Chancellor. We have Mr. Sonu Kumar Ravani for DIT. These are the silver medalists, Sonu Kumar Ravani. For BBA LLB Honors, Mr. Om Prakash Kumar. Thank you so much, sir, for presenting the degrees to the silver medalists. Now, I humbly request His Excellency, the Governor of Jharkhand and Visitor of the ICFA University, Jharkhand, Sri Santosh Kumar Gangawarji, and Dr. T.R.K. Rao, Honorable Chancellor, to please give away the gold medals to the first rank holders. We have for MBA, Mr. Vishnu Charan Lohra. Mr. Vishnu Charan Lohra, please give a big round of applause to them. They are the gold medalists of their respective subjects. For MBA, we have Mr. Vishnu Charan Lohra. The next candidate for Working Professionals MBA, the gold medalist is Ms. Muskan. The second candidate we have for MBA Working Professional, the gold medalist is Ms. Muskan. The next candidate for BBA, the gold medalist is Ms. Mansi Singh. Ms. Mansi Singh for BBA. तालियों की आवाज आती रहनी चाहिए. आपके इन दोस्तों ने बहुत मेहनत की है ये गोल्ड मेडल हासिल करने के लिए, तो आपकी तालियों की हौसला अफजाई से इनका हौसला बढ़ेगा, इनका उत्साह बढ़ेगा और नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको भी प्रेरणा मिलेगी ऐसा कुछ बेहतर करने की. बीकॉम ऑनर्स मिस सुमन कुमारी. For BCom Honors, Ms. Suman Kumari. And for BTech, we have the gold medalist as Mr. Manish Kumar. I humbly request Dr. T.R.K. Rao, Honorable Chancellor, to please give away the gold medals to the first rankers. And for that, we have Ms. Pinky Kumari. Ms. Pinky Kumari for BCA. Pinky Kumari for BCA, DSNAI. And the next gold medalist, first rank holder, is for LLB. We have Mr. Ajit Kumar Mishra. तालियों की आवाज थम गई है, लगता है आप सबके अंदर के जोश से इनका उत्साह बढ़ेगा. I request all of you to give a big round of applause to them. For BBA, Mr. Ajit Kumar. LLB, Mr. Ajit Kumar Mishra, and after that, for BBA LLB honors, we have Mr. Sonu Anand. So these were the gold medalist and the silver medalist and the PhD awardees who worked hard and got these awards. Congratulations to all of you. You have done a great job and received these awards. Thank you so much to the dignitaries who have presented these people the awards. Thank you so much to the Honorable Governor of Jharkhand as well as the Chancellor.